So dear students, we're going to see 1B exercise. In that we're going to connect uh, two PCs with a single switch. Again, two more PC with the switch 2. Then both the switches will be connected with the router. So how to do this task? We need two PCs in the left side network and two PCs in the right side network, as well as both the PCs will be connected with their switches. For example, PC0 and PC1 will be connected with switch 0, and PC2 and PC3 will be connected with switch 1. So in that case, just click on the N devices. We have to select the PCs. First click on PC and drag and drop here in the working environment, that is PC0. Then select PC1. Again, we have to select PC2, then PC3. So after that, we made 4 PCs. After that, we have to select the switches. So make it proper so that whatever you are seeing PC0 and PC1, that will be in the left side network, and PC2 and PC3 will be there in the right side network. Then select on the network device. There you can able to see different network devices. Select the switch. So here PT switch is there. Click on the PT switch and drag and drop above the first network, that is to be switch 0. Again select the PC switch and drag and drop above the PC2 and PC3, that is the second network. So now this whatever you are seeing in the left side, that is the first network. Whatever you are seeing in the right side, that is the second network. Now we will make the connection. Click on the connection. There you can able to see copper straight cable. Click on the copper straight cable. Click on PC0, fast Ethernet 0, and select switch fast Ethernet 01. Okay. So this is the first connection. Second connection, click on PC1, fast Ethernet 0, and go to switch 0. There you have to select fast Ethernet 1/1. Same case, here click on PC2, fast Ethernet 0. There switch 1, fast Ethernet 01. Same way, click on the copper straight cable, PC3, fast Ethernet 0. That has to be selected with switch 1, fast Ethernet 1/1. Now we have to connect this both the switches with the router. We have to keep the router here, so that go to the network devices, select the router, PT router. So we are having PT router. Select PT router and drag and drop the mid. So we are keeping router 0 in the mid. That will route from left side network data to the right side network. That is mean by the packet transmitted from left side will be transmitted over the router, and that will reach the right side network. So how we will do that? We can select this copper straight cable, switch 2/1 we have to give, then router 0, fast Ethernet 0/0. So why we are giving 2/0? 0/0 and 1/0 will be connected with the PC0 and PC1, so that the remaining cable will be 2/0, that is connected with the router 0. Same case here, we have to select the copper straight cable again. From switch 2/1 has to be connected with router fast Ethernet 1/0. So we done the connection. So in this connection, you can able to see the red color. Why it is in red color? Because we have to give the IP address and we have to connect the router with the IP address. That has to be done now. So when we are giving the proper IP address, this entire network system will become green, so that you can able to transmit the data from left side network to the right side network. Okay. So students, PC0 you have to select. Click on the desktop IP configuration. We have to give the IP configuration for the PC0. What is the IP we will give? So you can give any IP. So here I am giving the IP as 192.168.10.1 I am giving as IP address, subnet mask. So default gateway I am giving as 192.168.10.3. So this is the default gateway for PC0. Going to PC1, what will be the IP configuration? IP configuration for PC1 192.168.10.2. So here you have to give the IP 192.168.10.3. So both the sides, the default gateway value will be common, that is 10.3. So that way I am giving the IP address here. So PC2 and PC3 I have to give now. So PC2, click on desktop IP configuration. The IP address will be 192.168.20.1. 20.1 I am giving as IP address. So default gateway I am giving us 192.168.20.3. So this is the default gateway. So same case for PC3 we have to give the IP address. For PC3 the IP address was given as 192.168.20.2. So the default gateway will be 192.168.20.3. So we are giving 10 for this network and 20 for this network. Now going to the router. So PC0, you can see the default gateway for PC0. PC0 default gateway will be 192.168.10.3 and PC1 default gateway will be 192.168.10.3. So both are common default gateway. No, that will be the IP address for router 0 connection. So router 0, whatever the connection we are keeping from switch 0 to router 0, no, the IP address for the router will be the default gateway what we are giving for PC0 and PC1. So click on config. There you can go to fast ethernet 0/0. There we connected the left side network. So port status we have to keep on. There you just give this IP address 192.168.10.3. Subnet mask will come as it is so that you can set up the left side network properly now. Now go for the right side network. Click on the same router. There fast ethernet 1/1. Keep the port status on. I hope what is the default gateway for PC2 and PC3. There we gave the default gateway for PC3 and PC2 as 192.168.20.3. So this is the default gateway we gave for both the PCs, that PC2 and PC3. Just give that and close it so that you can able to see the connection properly in the both the sides. So both the sides everywhere you can able to see green. So now we have to transmit the packet. How to transmit the packet? Click on the packet PDU, click on PC0 as a source and PC3 as a destination, and click on the simulation and just run this simulation so that you can able to get the packets that will be transmitted from the left side network to the right side network, so that you can see PC0 to router 0 it went. From router 0 it will go to the switch 1. From switch 1 the packet will reach to PC3. Okay, so one more case, you can click on PC3 to check this. Click on command prompt. You can give ping the IP address of PC0. What is the IP address of PC0? 192.168.10.1. This is the IP address for PC0. So press enter. You will get the response from PC0. Where I am typing this command, I am typing this command in PC3. So PC3, I am typing this command. The command is ping 192.168.10.1. So 10.1 is the IP address for PC0. Okay. Now we will get the response from the PC0 to our concerned PC. So it will take some fraction of seconds. So we will get the data that will be retrieved from PC0 to PC3. Okay. I hope you understood this concern exercise. This will be the ACN 1B exercise I gave. Those who are absent for the lab and those who are not able to understand, you can work out this and you can see the output. So you can get the replay from, you can see the output here, replay from 192.168.10.1. So the same way you will get the responses. Okay, so all the response you will get one by one, so that finally the data received will also come. So this concern video taken for your understanding purpose only. So when you are seeing the video, please work out, pause the video whenever you are having doubt, open your Cisco Packet Tracker environment, and please try to work out. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ping me in the comment section. Thank you.